Sam Allred's off today, and Steve Anderson's with us. You know, there are a lot of problems connected with the storm, of course, but this is just what the doctor ordered for Colorado at this time. It was getting dry.
Yeah, no kidding. Friday night was just an excellent, slow, steady rain. This is the soaking in variety. And for precipitation, that storm was actually about 50% wetter than the big Christmas Eve blizzard. We just got a lot more out of that storm. Over 3 inches of precipitation officially at the airport, and now you see it on the ground and on the streets and all over. Let's check the temperature out there right now. We had a pretty good day today. We're at 39 right now, 51%. Winds are still at 10 miles an hour. They're out of the south today. Pressure 29.82 and rising. Skies are mostly cloudy here. After a lot of sunshine today, it's mostly cloudy, but no precipitation. It's disappeared. It's gone that way, actually. We'll look at that right now on our satellite picture. As you watch weather in motion, you'll see this big swirling mass of cloudiness. That's the low pressure system. It's not moving much. It's just kind of sitting there, battering the northern plains. Here we're starting to clear out. We have another system coming in from the west. You can see the movement. This one is not as strong as some of the prior storms, and we expect most of that moisture within this cold front to go north and south. And we'll get some in the mountains, but we don't expect too much around here. Now, I mentioned that low-pressure system has been battering the northern plains. Not only snow, but with the counterclockwise flow around a low like that, all lows revolve counterclockwise, we are getting windy conditions down from the north. Northerly winds 40 miles an hour over parts of North Dakota. Wind chill factors of about -20, 7 inches of new snow in Bismarck, North Dakota, 6 inches in parts of eastern South Dakota. Even snow, light snow, as far south as northern Kansas. And we've had some rain a little bit ahead of that whole area. In contrast to all of that messy stuff, they've had very warm weather in this part of the country. Parts of New York, Ohio, and West Virginia had records set by noon today. Temperatures in the 70s. Some more rain across the East Coast. Most of it has been light, but Charleston, South Carolina has picked up about 4 inches since last night. Warm and sunny across the Gulf. Look at that. Forecasted high 81 today in New Orleans. Now in our area, here's the front we saw in the satellite picture. A lot of clouds with it, but not a lot of moisture. High pressure system here in Wyoming is going to work as kind of a ridge area to kind of force some of that moisture north and some of it south. So what that means is probably some snow in the mountains on about Wednesday, but nothing for eastern Colorado. And some more rain across the Pacific Northwest, but it was warm and sunny today in Southern California. 30 degrees the temperature last night in Denver. Today's high was 43. It was 44 yesterday. -2 the record low back in 1971. In previous years, 72 was the record high in 1879. Normal high is 49, so we didn't reach that today. 23 is the normal low, so we were above that anyway. Air quality pretty good. We get a system through here. It cleans up the air. 50 was the index number. Sunrise at 6:23. Your sunset comes at 5:58. We are going to have a lot of melting going on in the east the next few days. We're expecting 20s tonight, 40 to 54 tomorrow. Probably a little warmer than that the day after. Mountains 15 to 25, 30 to 44 tomorrow. Now, some of the mountain passes are still a little bad, so call 639-1111 for road information. 20 to 34 tonight in the west and 40 to 54 tomorrow. Around Denver, here's what we expect. Tonight, partly cloudy skies. We should be getting down to about 28 degrees. Pretty good day tomorrow. Actually warming up to about 50. That's about normal. Mostly sunny skies, a low of 28 degrees. Wasn't that a wonderful storm as far as the precipitation goes? But in some ways, I've had it up to here with snow.
Deep snow. This was the equivalent to a 3-inch rainstorm, and that's a lot of moisture.
That is actually for the month of March. The record for the most precip is just about 400ths more than we got for that whole storm. So if we pick up 400ths more, we're going to have a record for March.
Make another record.
Yeah. We just wish we wouldn't get these single bunches like this.
Yeah.
Thanks, Steve. In news from around the world and the nation tonight.